Nikon is about to drop their cinema-style ZR, a full-frame, red-powered Z-mount camera that's rumored to shake up the video world. With no EVF, giant screen, and red DNA, this is Nikon's bold statement. Let's break down the release window, mind-blowing specs, and 10 killer features you need to know. 10 insane features and specs of Nikon ZR. Point 1. Release window expected in Q3, Q4 2025, likely as a late-year professional reveal. Point 2. Cinema-style design brick-shaped, no pentaprism or EVF evoking red. Sony FX3 and Nikon Z30 vibes. Point 3. Red tech inside incorporates red video processing modules, Nikon's first serious red hybrid. Point 4. Z6 III sensor uses the proven 24.5 MP partially stacked BSI sensor from the Z6 3.5. Massive LCD screen rumored to have a large rear touchscreen, perfect for video framing and log monitoring. Point 6. No EVF eliminates viewfinder to prioritize form factor similar to cinema-centric bodies. Point 7. Video-centric ergonomics button layout and controls optimized for video workflows. Fast access, sturdy build. Point 8. Red grade color science likely supports rich red N-log LUTs and color profiles, opens red's cinematic pipeline. Point 9. Compact powerhouse, size smaller than SLR-style body, more portable than standard cinema rigs. 10. Z-mount lens ecosystem, full compatibility with Nikon Z lenses, including fast primes and cinema optics. There it is, the Nikon ZR, rumored to be the first Nikon cinema-style Z body powered by red huge screen, red brains, Z6 sensor, and cinematic ergonomics. Expected later in 2025, this could change the game for mirrorless video creators. What's your take? Will Nikon ZR rival the FX3 or EOS R5C? Drop your questions and thoughts below. Smash that like button if you're excited. Subscribe for updates as we get closer to launch. And until next time, keep shooting and stay creative.